Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Binhi Desai. I'm a practicing ENT and voice surgeon at Desai Orthopaedics and ENT Clinic, Borivali, Mumbai. Today I'll be talking about one of the most common questions asked by my patients in my outpatient department, which is how to clean our ears. कान कैसे clean करना चाहिए? कान कसं clean करायचं? So to begin with, let me tell you in short about our ears. So this is a normal ear. This is the outer part of the ear. The outer part is around 2.5 centimeters, which ends at the eardrum, which is kaan ka parda. This is the middle part wherein the ear is connected to our nose, and this is the inner part where the ear is connected to the brain. So the information from the ear comes outside and eventually into the ear and is eventually conveyed to the brain through the ear nerves. So wax is produced by the outer part of the ear. So this is the area we will focus upon. This is mainly a natural oil which is secreted by the ear skin. The ear wax is a very useful part of our ear canal. It has certain very useful properties. It has property of protection. It protects our ear skin. It lubricates our ear skin and provides a natural moisturizer for the ear skin canal. Also has certain antibacterial and antiviral properties. It also has a certain kind of a odor which prevents certain insects from coming into the ear canal. Thus, ear wax is extremely useful for us. So whenever you see little bit of the wax in the ear canal, it is a very useful part and don't remove it. Normal cycle of the ear skin canal is towards outwards. So normally every day the ear skin shreds itself along with the wax going outwards. Like a conveyor belt, it keeps going outwards. So the normal way to clean our ear is after you have a bath, when you are cleaning your body with the towel, you can use the towel and just clean it. The water which has gone inside the ear, it will come out, and that's how the ear wax and the ear skin will come out. You don't have to use anything else apart from this to clean your ears. So what should one do and what should one not do to protect the ear? The thing that we can do is, this is the way how one must clean our ears. The second thing that we can do is that during winter season or in certain elderly individuals or those people who have very dry skin, we can use olive oil drops or coconut oil drops on a regular basis to moisturize the ear skin. So this helps in preventing dryness of the skin. So what should one must not do? What should one must not do is this. This is the earbud, and earbud should never be introduced into the ear canal. So the ear canal is not a straight canal, it's a curvy canal. So when you put the earbud inside the ear, you don't know where you are going in because it's a blind procedure. You can injure the ear skin, you can injure the eardrum. Thus, this can give rise to infections. What can also happen is at times this cotton can stay inside, this stick can get broken inside and stay inside and form a foreign body. So thus earbud can give rise to foreign bodies, it can give rise to infections, and if it injures the eardrum, it can give rise to hearing loss. Thus earbuds are not recommended to clean the ears. In children, especially in the age group of 2 to 4 years, they have a tendency of putting everything into the nose and inside the ear canal. So ideally we should be very careful around kids of 2 to 4 years and make sure that they don't put anything inside the nose and the ears. And if they do so, you should immediately visit your nearest ENT doctor. Third thing is that in rainy season, when there are a lot of small insects flying around, then it can happen that accidentally these insects can go inside the ear and give rise to severe pain and buzzing. In such situation, one must immediately visit your nearest ENT doctor to get it out. Hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching.